don't understand.
See all these cats and Polaris's and no skidoos.
Fucking Polaris.
Fucking Polaris.
Why the fuck did I split?
It's like it's fucking glued on there. It probably isn't fucking glued. It is a fucking Polaris.
Now the skidoo bag's meant to hold a shovel, so it doesn't really fit very well, but I think it'll do the trick. Just getting ready to head out for day 59 here. Got the scoop shovel. Kyle's got a scoop shovel. These boys want to send it, so hopefully the skies cooperate. We get a little bit of light.
Yeah, scoop shovel.
Kyle's pretty stoked about his scoop shovel. Yeah, see what happens. 4,000 kilometers and running strong. Let the lovely moguls start. Hopefully my shovel will be all right back there. Oh. Hey Kyle, you know the trail's right here. Keep some wrenching going on. Did you find me?
Get closer. Oh wow.
Famous turtle gap right here. Got Kyle sitting up here, going for a 270, I think. We also got Nick up here. He's looking at this drop here. 270 boy here. I think Jaden's got to jump somewhere up there.
Captain Morgan. Oh yeah. No!
It's not a cat, it doesn't land on its feet.
No, you're right.
Kyle's getting out his nervous pee over here. The wheel's not looking so straight in here.
No.
Oh yeah, bash on the alpha reel.
Well, I think we tracked out this bull pretty good here. Got one down Polaris. And then I don't know where to. Cats land on their feet. Good hustle. Forgot to wrap up my lunch today, so we're just gonna toss it in here and see what happens. Bye bye, Polaris. How's that look? Look pretty good. I like your back headlight. Nice. Kyle, what do you got going on here?
Oh, I thought I'd seen a natural little hit, so I was gonna shave the lip a little bit.
Shave the lip. This wall looks like it's like 4 feet deep here.
Yeah. Not so natural, but
Should be sick. Kyle found some food coloring in his sack, so he put it on the jump to give you guys some perspective. I don't know how well you guys can see it from here, but Kyle's packing her down, grabbing some branches for the takeoff. Kind of lost our light, but yeah, it's 5 o'clock and it's sunny as can be. So awesome. All right, getting ready to hit this now. Filmer up there, 2 filmers here, support staff in case anything goes wrong. I didn't know you were flipping it.
I don't want to tell you that.
Yeah, buddy. Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah, dude.
Guys ready? Oh! That was a nosedive. Huh?
I didn't know you were flipping it.
I don't want to tell you guys that. Can I see what I did wrong?
Yeah.
I know you knew what I was doing. Alright. I'm gonna warm my hands up for a second and then blow.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Fuck yeah, buddy. Oh, feet slipped off the boards a little bit. Ow!
No way! What a day. right there is Isaac and Caleb's grandfather, who's about 70 something. I don't remember exactly, but he's still out here ripping. That's pretty cool. You could say snowmobiling runs in the family. Sun is almost set. I guess that means it's time to head out. All right, sun is gone. Let's head her home.
Time to go.
Solid day. Well, another successful day riding. It's probably 7:30 now or so, and it's still kind of bright out. I love the time change for sledding. I should have came out for like the whole month of March. Maybe next year I'll come out at a different time. You know, it's a good day when you get back in the pitch black. Bright moon. I think Kyle's feeling a little sore from his backflip. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. This is probably going to be the best NZLC of the season. Thanks to this guy here. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow, day 60. You won't see him tomorrow.
No.